They start streaming. You can see here that now we're live. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and jump back over to YouTube to confirm that we're now sending over our stream. So you see here that now we are live. Everything is ready to go. Excellent condition. You're going to see here that I can monitor my chat, and now everything is ready to go, and I can start to go live with my audience. Now,
Yo! In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you every method that will fix your game capture black screen problems in OBS. I'll also be showing you the best settings to use for it, plus some extra recording tips. If you're also experiencing black screen problems when using display capture and window capture, a card will pop out now leading you to another video I made recently where I show you how to fix them. Alright, let's get started today. If you're on a PC that has 2 GPUs, OBS needs to be running on the same GPU your games use for game capture to be able to see them. This problem mostly affects laptop users because they'll have an iGPU, which handles the running of your desktop and 2D applications, and a dedicated GPU, which handles your games and 3D applications.
I'm in danger!
If you know you have 2 GPUs, make sure OBS is closed, press the start button, right in graphics settings, and click it. Select desktop app here, then click browse. Go to where OBS is located. I have mine installed in its default location, but yours might be somewhere else. Then select obs64.exe and add it. Then click options. I only have 1 GPU because I'm a poor person today, so only 1 GPU will show. But if you're on a laptop, your iGPU will show under power saving and your dedicated GPU will show under high performance. Choose high performance and click save. This will tell OBS to run on the same GPU the majority of your games will use, its GPU. When you notice this happening, this is the area to add them to ensure they'll always run on your dedicated GPU every time. There are just so many different OBS's Discord. Certain games or applications will require OBS to be run with elevated privileges in order to be captured. Running as administrator may also improve OBS performance when gaming. And on OBS's wiki, they also say if you make OBS run as admin, this can help resolve GPU overload issues. So before you open OBS again, here's how you can set it up to run as administrator every time you launch it. Right-click your OBS shortcut. Or wherever your exe file is, click properties, go to the compatibility tab, choose run this program as an administrator, click apply, done. Now open OBS, press the plus button here, and then add a game capture source. Name it whatever you want. The only thing in this window you should be touching is the mode drop down menu. Leave everything else as default. Capture any full screen application will automatically hook any full screen application, but this is problematic in some cases because it may not hook the application you want it to hook. This is why I recommend selecting capture specific window because it allows you to specify what you want shown through game capture. Before we continue though, press cancel, then hide every source you have in the sources section that isn't game capture. The reason for this is because even if you move game capture above every other source you have, nothing right now is being captured through game capture, but if you have active sources underneath, you might think game capture is capturing your screen, but in fact, it's not capturing anything. Once you've done that, open the game you want game capture to detect. Always make sure you're past any loading screen before you try to get game capture to work, or it may have trouble detecting the game, and also make sure the game is running in full screen exclusive or full screen borderless in the display options. Then Alt tab out of the game, click game capture once, then you should be able to see it in the drop down menus. Then Alt tab out of the game, click game exclusive, or it may have trouble detecting. Always make sure you're past any loading screen before you try to get game capture to work, or it may have trouble detecting the game, and past any loading screen before you try to get game capture to work, or it may have trouble detecting the game, and also make sure